American spirit animal matches your birth month. Listen closely, because most people don't even realize what their birth month truly hides. If you were born in January, your spirit is the bear, not just a creature of strength, but a symbol of deep wisdom and protection. You carry power in silence, and your calmness hides unshakable resilience. When life tests others, you stand tall, grounded, steady, unbroken. People come to you for safety because your energy feels like home. You protect what you love with quiet courage and never back down from storms. If this bear spirit feels too real for you, don't keep it secret. Repost this video as your proof. If you were born in February, your spirit is the wolf. Not just a hunter, but a guardian of loyalty and intuition. You sense things others miss. Emotions, energy, even silence. Your heart belongs to your pack, but your soul craves the wild. You walk your path with instinct, and even alone, you're never truly lost. When you trust someone, it's for life. And when you love, it's with every beat of your being. If this wolf spirit feels like your truth, like and repost before scrolling.